The Mark-3 Watson Edition pump has the option to be transported with padded straps for mobility, for easy loading, unloading, and to reduce the risk of back injuries. The straps can be installed on any side of the integrated carriage system and offers the option to backpack engine side up or down. The military-grade Fidlock quick-release system allows you to install and remove the carrying straps quickly to focus on the task at hand. To secure the straps, place the pump on either side and slide the fasteners through the 4 holes located at each corner of the base. The fasteners are unique due to a combination of mechanical locking and magnetic forces, enabling automatic closure which snaps into the correct position. There, they lock mechanically, creating a secure engagement. Don't hesitate to ask a colleague for help putting the backpack on. Put on the chest strap. Then tighten the shoulder strap and you are ready to go. You can loosen the shoulder straps if required, unclip the chest straps, take the backpack off and then pull on the quick-release buckle to take the straps off the pump. Fidlock concept uses magnetic force to facilitate a quick release. The polarity of the magnets is reversed by the movement and the fastening components repel each other. This allows for secure opening and easy handling. The ergonomic carriage system has been innovated to reduce the risk of back injuries and help to transport the pump in rugged terrain.